Hello and welcome back to ClearTask. If you are dealing with the frustrating issue of the Netmirror app not opening or crashing on your device, you are in the right place. Today I am going to show you a quick and easy method to fix this problem so you can get back to using the app in no time. First, grab your phone and open up your device settings. Scroll down until you find the apps option and tap on it. Here, you will see a list of all the apps installed on your device. Scroll through the list or use the search bar to locate the Netmirror app. Once you find it, tap on it to open the app information page. Next, look for the option that says storage and cache and tap on that. You will need to perform two actions here. First, tap on Clear Cache to remove any corrupted temporary files. Then tap on Clear Storage and confirm the prompt that appears to clear the app's data. Now go back one step to the main app information page. Tap on the Force Stop button and confirm your choice. This will completely shut down any background processes related to Netmirror that might be stuck. Finally, head back to your home screen and open the Netmirror app again. It should now load up perfectly, acting like a fresh installation. If this quick fix helped you out, please consider leaving a like, subscribing to ClearTask, and hitting the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.